Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Camtasia 2023-2024 tutorial on changing your video in Rev. So see, let's play this out here. Let's play this out. Thanks patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price and Jeremy Charles Prail. So say you did all this work and you made a mistake in the video, and you're going to probably have to start from scratch and do it over, but you don't have to start from scratch. What we're going to do is we're going to just change just this video right in this lower corner here. So what to do here is go to record on USB camera and make sure it's not in Rev. All we want to do is get the video camera. So let's record a quick video here for the correct version. This is the correct version of thanking my patrons so much for their support. So we'll insert this into the new video. Okay, so let's get the video here. Okay, here. So this is the video we want to change right here. So what you do here is right click, copy properties. Here's a new video. Right click, paste properties. On the old video, right click, copy effects, new video, right click, paste effects. Delete the video, replace it with a new one. This is the correct version of thanking my patrons so much for their support. So we'll insert this into the new video. So that's all you have to do to insert a new video into your Camtasia Rev project. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price and Jeremy Charles Prail. You can be here too. Link below.